Going over Tesla here on Unusual Whales again, and today is March 20th. We have Piper Sandler here with a $450 price target on Tesla stock. And again, this is as of March 20th, and then another buy recommendation. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buy recommendations in a row. And of course, we also have 3 sell recommendations here from Guggenheim, JP Morgan, and Wells Fargo as well. Price targeting this from 120, 130, 170. But take this with a grain of salt. You have some price targets here as well as 320, 404, 430, 425, and then of course the one from today being 450. Here's some of the latest buys from insiders, 530,000 there, as well as 54,000 sales, with the average price being about $238. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the Webull chart here for Tesla stock. And I'm just going to be going over my upside and downside potential here for Tesla stock. And we'll zoom this into the daily chart. We're closer to the lower Bollinger Band here, so currently in a bearish territory. However, in my opinion, what I'm viewing is this is currently a loading phase for Tesla stock, and I think we start to go sideways here. And the longer we go sideways here, the more I'm going to dollar cost average into Tesla stock. I think anywhere between 250 and about 215 is a good price of entry. There is that possibility of Tesla dropping below 200. And I think 193 or somewhere close to 193 might be the bottom here for Tesla stock. And again, I'm not saying we are going to go price down towards 193, but hypothetically, if we do, the drop from our current price here at 232 is going to be about a 15 to 16% drop. Now, let's go ahead and go over the upside, because I think the risk here is very minimal compared to the upside potential, okay? And again, you can see all these price targets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by price targets in a row here, including Piper Sandler there with a 450 price target. So hypothetically, and again, take this with a grain of salt, if we do test, what is that, 450, if we do test 450 from our current prices here, that is an upside potential of 94% move. And eventually, long term, we know the all-time high is going to be tested, and that's at 488. The move from our current price here to 488 is going to be a 110% move towards the upside here for Tesla stock. I definitely think Tesla here is oversold. If you take a look at the RSI on the daily chart and the weekly chart, we are pretty much by the 30 RSI, meaning this is oversold territory, and that I would personally be dollar cost averaging into Tesla right now. If we zoom out into the weekly chart, you can see close to the 30 RSI, and then I'm looking for that reversal up to the upside, right? For me personally, I'm looking for $306 to be tested, possibly $317, as that's where the middle Bollinger Band is on the weekly chart. I'm just going to zoom back out here to the past, and you can see here on April 2024, we had the RSI testing close to 30, and look what happened after, right? A reversal back up towards the top side. We'll zoom out all the way back here to January of 2023. What happened here? We went under the 30 RSI and a reversal back up, right? Hitting a high of nearly 300. So we already know Tesla stock is extremely volatile up and down, right? And the sentiment for Tesla stock can change very drastically and quickly. So what I'm doing, I know Tesla's the future, and so personally, I am buying the dip, and I think this is a dip opportunity. I've been mentioning this for the past couple of videos now, and previous to 488 being tested, I mentioned in one of our first few videos on this YouTube channel that Tesla was an entry between 170 and 180, right around this dip right here. And then we flew all the way up to 488, and yes, it did exceed my expectation, but the point is, this was the dip opportunity, and now I believe we're having another dip opportunity here, except this time it's even a greater dip opportunity. I think there's a greater return here for a reversal for Tesla stock. In my opinion, I really do think we test above this middle Bollinger Band on the weekly chart. So if we compare the current price here of 233, the middle Bollinger Band is going to be about a 38% move towards the top side. Now, I actually think this is going to happen a lot faster than most people expect. Okay. After the middle Bollinger Band is tested, and if we can confirm this is a support level, we should be able to see a lot more momentum and buying pressure step back in towards the upper Bollinger Band. So towards the end of the year, possibly within the year or towards the end of the year, I'm keeping an eye out for the upper Bollinger Band to be tested. And again, that's closer to 475, pretty much close to the all-time high here of Tesla stock. And that is a 107% move towards the upside. Let me know what you guys think about Tesla stock. Do you think it's going to drop below 200 like a lot of people are saying? Or do you think these firms here are correct about their price targets between 320 and 450 there? Or, you know, if you're bearish, then do you think Wells Fargo and JP Morgan are more on the correct side of things for Tesla stock here? If you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord, link down below in the description. And we have over 32,000 members and it's free to join. And if you're looking for our live entries and exits on stocks and options, we have multiple analysts and we do have currently a permanent discount. If you haven't joined already, we do have a permanent discount on Patreon, link down below in the description. And again, it's totally optional, but if you don't join, feel free to check out our Discord as well, okay? Joining the Patreon will unlock the VIP channels on the Discord where we do share our live entries and exits on those stocks and options, including Tesla stock. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you in the next video for Tesla.